NAS Online Academy Teachers Tutorial. How to manage the contents on NAS Academy Management System. We are talking about the best practices. Before uploading any curriculum, make sure that you have your lesson plan and determined the learning outcomes. Now you can add curriculum as well as can track your student engagement. To log in, visit our website www.nasonlineacademy.com. Once you go there, log in with your username and password. Log in. Here you are. Your dashboard includes your courses. Click View to view your courses. Number of students enrolled. Total assignments submitted. Total time spent on this platform. Blogs and wikis. In schools and institutes, you can find all the institutes. You can check the rank of your students enrolled in different courses in Leaderboard tab. Select the course to view the ranking. Click Today's Classes to view different sessions planned. Select the badge and grade to view different sessions. Click Online Classes to schedule online session. You can create new meetings for online session. Select the course for which you want to arrange the online meeting. Select the badge and grade. Write the title of your meeting. Select the date and set the time to start and end the meeting session. Click Create Meeting to create this event. In the Announcement tab, you can view latest announcements. Click User Profile to view your profile. Now to mark attendance of your students, click Attendance. To take attendance, select the badge, class grade, subject, and the session for which you want to mark the attendance. You can view all your enrolled students of the subjects here. You can mark them as present or absent. And save. To view the attendance report, select the badge, class grade, the duration for which you want to view the report. Click Get Report to view the report. For meeting attendance report, select the badge, grade, subject, and the duration for report you want to view. Click View to view the participants of meeting. To evaluate assignments, click Assignments. Here you can view the submissions. You can accept or reject it by clicking Edit in the action. You can mark the assignment and give remarks, and can approve or reject the assignment. You can manage your courses and modify them in Manage Courses tab. You can edit previous lessons or add new lessons here. Click on Contents. Mention the lesson title, duration, visibility, and description. Save it. In lesson content, you can upload new files for your lesson and can manage previous ones. Click Edit, select the format and title, and upload the file. You can assign the assignment in the next tab. You can write or upload the question. Mention the question you want your students to solve and save it. In the Summary and Glossary tab, you can write the summary of your course and the important glossary. You can design the quiz in the last tab. Click Add Question to add new question. You can select the type of question you want to ask. For example, a single choice question, multiple choice question, or fill-ups. Write the question. Provide the options and mention the correct answer. You can upload as many questions as you want. You can manage previous questions here as well and save. Your quiz is created. To check the results of your students enrolled in different courses, click Test Results. Mention the batch, grade, courses, and the lesson number for which you want to view the results. In the remaining tabs, you can find blogs, forums related to your joint courses, wiki documents related to your courses, and different notes. You can interact with your students in the chat section. You can view either they are online or away. That's it. Thank you for watching the tutorial.